Hello, I am your friend Nomi. Learn alphabet with me. G. G. G is for God. H. H. H is for hen. I. I is for ice cream. J. J. J is for juice. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lion. Oh, here are some gifts. Collect your gift. Yes, this is for you.